electron energy level. How we can fill the electron in the subshell that we forecast. It's follow the electron energy level that shows in this diagram. See the arrow that show which will be the direction in order to put the electron that you found in the element. The first that remember the first shell it's only have the orbital, the subshell S, and start from the second cell we may found the P subshell, and start from the third shell we may found the D subshell, and so on. How we can make to understand about this electron energy level? Okay, let's follow to the point. This arrow show to us if I have the electron, so the first thing that the priority to fill the orbitals, the subshell is fill the priorities. Follow the arrow if you have filled the 1s and occupy with 2 electrons. Continue with the arrow. Here the arrow show you to the left and there's no orbitals. You can shift to the right. Here you have 2s. After 2s, the arrow show you that you have to go down and you don't have any orbital here, so you can shift into the right. After you shift into the right, here follow another arrow goes to 3s. Follow this four arrow, we know we not found another orbital, so we can shift to the right. Okay, follow to the 4s. Okay, after the 4s, after this 4s, we can't found here, so next we can shift to the right. Remember here, yeah. Please note that the 4p it's not a priority by the arrow show. So the priority between 4p and 3d is 3d have to full it first before 4p. So then if you meet 4s and if you have occupied the 4s by 2 electron, you have to move it to the 3d before to 4p. After the 3d full by the electron with the 10th electron, you can may move it to 4p, 4, 5s, and so on. Example, if I write the electron, I'd like to write the electron configuration of Ng. Okay, how you can write it? From table periodic, we have magnesium is 12 electron and follow the diagrams that we have discussed before. So I could state the electron configuration is like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2. We can check the electron here that the electron is 2 plus 2 plus 6 and plus 2. It occupies 12 electron and equal with the magnesium electron here. Now for the second question is write for quantum number of outermost electron of chlor of the chlor of chlor of chlor. If you want to answer this question, you still have to write the configuration. Remember that chlor has 17 electrons, so we can follow this, and we have the configuration of electron is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p5. The end of the electron is full in the 3p vibe. What happened here? Yeah, so we have see here 17 electron. Now we can forecast the quantum number by see this point 3p5. From this 3p5, we can have the n as the principal number is equal with 3. P is an L, which as L is equal with 1, and 5, we have to know that which which room were placed by the outermost electron. Remember that the orbital of P has 3 orbitals, so if we have 5, we have to fill first by the top right direction arrow. 1, 2, 3, and then we can pull the another electron as a pair if we have full all electron, and this is 5. The last electron as the outermost has the quantum number which it places in the 0 orbitals, which is the 0 orbitals it value of the ml, and as the direction of the arrow of electron, because it is down direction, so we may conclude that the spin number is minus half. Okay, this is the outermost of electron of chlorine.